Hey, it's a cat. Hi, cat. Meow.
Yo. What do these colors mean?
I don't know, we gotta ruin it. It's not America.
All I know is it's not red, white, and blue, so we gotta change it. We gotta fix it. Red, white, and blue.
For this.
Yes, sure, partner. That's the way to go. Partner, I think I f***ed up. I think I made the French.
Okay, what does A stand for?
Arson.
Oh, you're so good. Okay, B. What does B stand for?
Barson.
What stands for C?
Commit arson.
Ooh.
D.
Don't come near me. I'm going to commit arson.
I raised her real well.
Up and down and round and round. Please come down. Give me my mind back now.
No! Stay back!
Wait, where'd you get that piano?
Wow. So high up. Jump off. Jump off.
Here's a toast to my real friends. They don't care about that he said, she said. And here's to my baby. He ain't reading what they call me lately. And here's to my mama. Had to listen to all this drama. And here's to you, 'cause forgiveness is a nice thing to do. I can't even say it with a straight face.
She's always got me looking. She's some I can't believe. I say we packing bucket, 'cause we're just meant to be. She says she's from the islands. Turn around, I see you shining now. Now I need you by my side. Can you show me 40?
Shh. I got this. I see you got a knife there. It's quite a small one. You don't have a bigger knife? You don't. Nice bike you got there. Yeah, it has. It has 3 wheels. Do you have a child? No. No. So you're riding the bike.
Remember, I always love you.
Who live in the projects and smelling fishy? This bitch right here.
Turkey Slurpee.
Threw it back at me, I gave a boom. That shit I'm talking about, I know it because she had them.
Guys, I heard something in my basement and I'm really scared. If you came here to kill me, clap your hands.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I can miss American boys, American boys. I got it pretty like a girl. And he got light to his nose. See both sides like a girl.
And where down we go, where down we go.
She say she not gon' call me that. You say you come with a lot, well baby I want all of that. Your mama a party girl, she just want have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you.
I know you understand. I can't leave you alone. I give you my time, but you can't pick up the phone. Life done been so tragic, if only me alone. Try not to be obsessed. I fucked up, oh girl, I know. 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 It all started when a dumb ass meet another dumb ass and meet another dumb ass, and they become the dumb ass trio.
With a lot of love, with a lot of drugs, and I found you. She like petty crime, she had green eyes like Mountain.
Bro, Skibidi Riz is so Sigma, Ohio, Kaisenat, Phantom Tax. I think you just gave me a fucking brain tumor.
Decided to never talk, I am so so sorry for your loss.
Know how you feel.
Don't do that. Please don't do that. You do not know how I feel.
Mike, calm down.
Monsters like you have everything. You don't have to be good. You can mess up over and over again, and the whole world loves you.
Mike.
You'll never know what it's like to fail.
I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden
Look to the left, look to the right. Any cars? No.
She can hear, so keep your voice down pretty well. Let's just say he likes to play games. Money helps keep him calm when out of order. Foxy's there all along in the dark.
Drive-in in a car. Destination drug dealer's bar. Pass the mic right over to Charles. We forgot Charles. But we can't turn back because we've gone too far. We have to turn back though. We can't leave him. It was a good rhyme though.
Know me, Harry Potter edition. My Hogwarts house and the class I take, a character I wanna date. This is my favorite spell and a creature I like.
Look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head.